Northside, how are we this morning? I was starting to figure out, I think I may have to freestyle if that music's gonna keep playing. I don't wanna say I was ready to do that, but I was willing. In the midst of it, as it's going on, you're not alone. And please hear me say, disappointing outcomes, they are heavy. I'm not telling you to overlook your disappointing outcomes. I'm not asking you to ignore them. I'm not asking you to compartmentalize them and forget about them. Some of us have serious work to do to process these disappointing outcomes in our life. Might involve some kind of community in our life, mental health counseling. I'm not sure what it would look like for you. I'm not asking you to ignore it. I'm just asking you to remember that it's not a declaration that you're alone. And you're focused on healing. What I want to tell you, even in that space, it's so important, it's so helpful for you to do your best to lean in. That's having way more of an impact. And I don't just mean because some future healing is going to happen that'll set you up to have influence. You're having influence now. There are people who are recognizing the effort you're putting into by leaning in and pressing into this healing that you're in. In that world, there's a term that we like to throw around called active rest, or resting actively. And it's the idea that whether you're in between sets at the gym or you're on your days off, that you are after something much bigger than relief, right? There's things you can do. There are opportunities afforded to you within those rest periods, within your days off, that otherwise wouldn't have been there had it not been for the fact that you worked out,